Hey guys, and today we're going to take a look at the Huananzhi X99 TF Gaming motherboard. So let's start by having a look at the price, and at time of filming it is around $120 on AliExpress. But you can get it for $252 bundled with an Xeon E5 2678 V3, which is a 12 core and 24 threaded CPU. So the CPU support for this motherboard goes all the way from the Xeon E5 1620 V3, which is an 4 core and 8 threaded CPU, all the way up to the E5 4669 V4, which is an 22 core and 44 threaded CPU. And it also supports the Core i7 5820K, which is a 6 core and 12 threaded CPU, all the way up to the i7 6950X, which is a 10 core and 20 threaded CPU. So this board comes equipped with 8 DIMM slots, 4 DDR3 and 4 DDR4, which supports both non-ECC and ECC memory, with maximum of 128 gigabytes, but you have to take a look at the specs of your CPU to see what memory type it supports. So this board comes with 2 M.2 NVMe slots and 1 M.2 Wi-Fi slot, as well as 8 SATA ports. And it also has 3 PCIe 16X slots and 2 PCIe 1X slots. So we also have onboard power and reset buttons, as well as a debug LED display, which makes it perfect for a test bench, or if you don't want to use a case at all. So we also have a 6-phase VRM with 2 fans on the heatsink, which are very quiet, and it keeps things cool. So we also have a integrated I/O shield and a nice blue LED. So let's have a look on what ports we get on this thing. We got a PS2 for mouse and keyboard, 4 USB 2.0 and 3 USB 3.0, as well as Ethernet and your usual audio jacks. But here we get an optical out, or SPDIF. So let's have a look at the BIOS, and it is very basic. It has no overclocking support at all, unless you flash a custom BIOS on it. But it has essentially all the other features you would need. But you can, however, easily modify the BIOS to unlock those all-core turbo frequencies on your Xeon, which is awesome. So I personally think that Huananzhi is on something here with this board. It has tons of features for its price range. So if they keep making it like this and improving the BIOS, that's my biggest complaint about it. Otherwise, I strongly recommend it for anyone who is on a budget. And have you used this board? Leave it in a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you all next time.